Ready? Inhale. Head down. Ready? Vamos. Vamos. Head down. Kick. More kick. Vamos. Vamos. More kick. More kick. 1, 2, 1, 2. Vamos. 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 Okay. Ready? Ready tayo ha? Inhale. Mag-kick ka ng continuous. Huwag kang i-stop. Ready? Inhale. Vamos. Head down. Good. Inhale. Vamos. Inhale. Vamos. Inhale. Vamos. Inhale. Vamos. Head down. Head down. More kick. More kick. Wala na yung kick. Wala na yung kick. Go. 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 Alright. Ready ka. Akun ka 10 times. Paske. Ready ka. Dito ka, baste. Ready? Singgan mo ako. Inhale. Exhale. Ready? Ready position. Go. Relax. Inhale. Bubbles. Ready position. Go. Relax. Inhale. Ready position. Very good. Inhale. Ready position. Lapit na. Woo! Lapit na. Very good, baste. Galing yung dalawa. Ha? Tandaan nyo ha. Pag yung tinuro ni coach, pag napapabuhin, by third section, ito, second section by next week. So, overlook pa rin, mamaya. Pag tumulito, di ba naman ginagawa niyo, ha? Pag nasa ibang kayo gusto nyo, practice nyo yun. Hindi tama, ha? Yung dalawa, ang problema ko, yung tuhod nyo, dapat tuhod nyo ang patagawa. Diba, ganun kayo? Tinuro ko sa inyo, di ba? Hindi lang tubig, hindi lang tubig. Pumuli ako ha. Lupa. Sila. Palay, go! Sila. Talis ka kay Kia. Ready. Engage. Position. Right. Ready, knee, right. Head down. Knee, right. Inhale. Ayan na, malapit na. Go, guys. Okay, bubbles ka. Vamos, 10 times. Okay. Nano? Hawak. Balik. Lapit ka lang. Inhale. Head down pa ha. More kick. Head down and more kick. Go! Head down. Bubbles! Bubbles! More kick. 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 Head down. Okay, very good. Okay, dito tayo ha. Balik dito tayo. Sige na. Mamaya magpapahinga na kayo. Inhale. Head down and kick. Go, fly. Inhale, bubbles. Inhale, bubbles. Inhale, bubbles. Inhale, bubbles. More kick, more kick. Inhale, bubbles. Good. Inhale, bubbles. Kapit na. Okay. Bubbles na, bubbles. Good. Relax, inhale, inhale. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Relax na, relax, relax, relax. Hi guys, done practice with the kids. Learn how to swim. Bye guys.